This is exercise 2.2 first sum. For what values of natural number n 4 power n can end with digit 6? Okay, the question is for what values of natural number n 4 power n can end with digit 6? Okay, so 4 power n. So we have to substitute for n the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. Okay, so when we substitute the natural numbers, the answer will end with 6. Is that the answer will end with 6? We should find. Okay, so okay, see here, substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9. Okay, when n is 1, okay, so 4 power n, the question given term is 4 power n. So for n only we should substitute. So 4 power 1. So 4 power 1, 4. So here 4 power 1, 4 is same. So we no need to take this. Okay, after when n is 1, 4 power n, 4 power 1, that is 4. Okay, so we should substitute n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That only we should substitute. See, when we substitute 2, 4 power 2. So 4 power 2 means 4 into 4. Okay, 4 square means 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. Next 3, when we substitute 3, 4 cube. So 4 into 4 into 4. So 61. Next 4 power 4. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. See, for first 3 4 we found 64. Next only 1 4. So 64 into 4, 256. So 4 power 5. 4 power 5 we can write like this, 4 power 4 into 4. Okay, 4 power 4 we found 256. Okay, 256 into 4. So 1024. Next 4 power 6. 4 power 6 we can write 4 power 5 into 4. So 4 power 5 we found 1024. So 1024 into 4. Next 4 power 7. So we can write that 4 power 6 into 1 4. So 4 power 6 we found 4096 into 4. So that is 16384. 4 power 8 we can write like 4 power 7 into 4. So 4 power 7 this is, and 1 4. So this is the answer. 4 power 9. So 4 power 8 into 4 we can write. So 65,536 into 4. So 2,62,144. Okay. So here see, when n is 4 power 2 is 8, 4 power 3 is 60, 4 power 2 is 16, 4 power 3 is 64, 4 power 4 is 256, 4 power 5 is 1024, 4 power 6 is 4096, 4 power 7 is 16,384, 4 power 8 is 65,536, 4 power 9 is 2,62,144. Okay, see here the question is 4 power n can end with digit 6. Okay, so the last digit should be 6. Okay, see here, when 4 power 2 is, the last digit is 6. 4 power 4 is 256, 6. 4 power 6 is 6. 4 power 8 is 6. When 3 is 4, and 4 power 5 is 4. 4 power 7 is 4. 4 power 9 is 4. So see, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, when the 4 power n, that n is even number. When n is even number, the digit ends with 6. When n is odd, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 3, 5, 7, 9, the digit ends with 4. Okay, when n is even 2 4 6 8, the digit ends with 6. Okay, so here when n is odd number, the number ends with the digit 4. When n is even number, the number ends with digit 6. So when n is 2 4 6 8. Okay, when n is 2 4 6 8, the last digit then ends with 6. The number ends with 6.